Hello, Builder. Welcome to the website agency tool. This tool is a great option if you'd like to offer a very basic website for your clients and you want to separate that account from your own account, but still have complete control over the account. So please take note that you will be billed and you will need to bill your client with your preferred payment gateway. Also, remember that the client will not get their own login details. It is still part of your account. It is just separated. All right, so I am Jackie de Klerk. I'm your success coach, and I want to show you how this works exactly. So right here on my screen, we are on the website agency dashboard. And the first thing we're going to do is to click on agency account. You're going to see that there is a very important message that you need to look at. And it's basically telling you that you need to copy this link, which I just did, and then go to a different browser and copy this and add the link into that browser to go through the process. Because if you're going to do it in the same browser, you will be locked out of your own account. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen now because I need to shift from this screen to another and then share the incognito screen with you. So let me just do that and share the other screen so that we are on the same place. So right here, we're going to type in that URL that we just copied. And we are going to go to a place where it's going to ask you for some information. So let's give this information. Let's call it market I design. And I'm just going to say information. Or let's rather say contact at market. And that is our client. And we're going to give it a password for ourselves to be able to access this account. We're going to choose a telephone number. So I'm just going to do that and add a number. Click on the terms of use and then say, I am not a robot. And now the account is being opened. I just want to move this and scroll and click on register. All right. So now it's basically taking you to the desktop of the brand new account. And you need to determine which country you're from as well as the time zone that you are operating in and click continue. And then you can choose to pay immediately. And I'm going to show you an alternative way where you also can go and make that payment. For now, we're just going to close the box and click on get started. And this is the dashboard for only that specific account. And you can see that if you take a look at the profile in the top right corner right here. If you go onto the left-hand side, you're going to see all the tools that is available for that specific agency account. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go out of this account. But if you want to build a website or anything, you will need to log into the profile that you have created now. So I am going to shift screens again by stopping this specific screen and go back to the other one that we were busy with. And that is the correct one. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to refresh the screen now. And you're going to see the information of the agency account that is what just created now. You can have multiple agency accounts. It doesn't just have to be one. The status green means it's active. Information of the company, the date's been signed up, the renewal date of the payment, whether it needs to be published or unpublished. You can do it right here. It gives you information there. And you just need to slide that button over. And then to remove the content, you can also delete it right here, which we will show just in a moment. And if you want to make payment, you're going to click on that button right there. And it's going to take you to the checkout. And it will also tell you all the different kinds of things that goes with it, the price as well as the tools. So let's just give it a moment to load. So you can see it's $8.15 per month for the website agency account, 1 domain, 5 subdomains, 0.5 gig storage, access to the Builderall, a website builder, mailing boss, and if you click, there is additional tools. Now you can click continue for the payment to be made. So for now, I'm just going to close that. You can also click to access the offers, and this means you're going to go away from the site, your own account. You're going to go to their account where you would be able to change or create the website. And also, if you've got unpublished information, you can see it right there. And then you can choose to delete. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on delete the account. And what happens when you do that, you are literally removing the account and you won't even have access yourself to that anymore. And that is basically how you would do that. Hope that you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time, Builder. Bye.